Flash flood emergency for the immediate downtown Kansas City area. The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Wyandotte County in northeastern Kansas, northeastern Johnson County in east central Kansas, northwestern Jackson County in west central Missouri, southwestern Clay County in west central Missouri, until 1:45 a.m. CDT 1843 p.m. CDT. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Life-threatening flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for the Kansas City metro, particularly the downtown Kansas City area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Some locations that will experience flooding include Kansas City, Overland Park, Independence, Shawnee, Lenexa, Leawood, Raytown, Liberty, Gladstone, Prairie Village, Merriam, Mission, Edwardsville, North Kansas City, Fairway, Mission Hills, Sugar Creek, Riverside, Westwood, and Claycomo. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.